Welcome to MS Craftshop. It has been 3 weeks since I last posted on YouTube. As the weather gets warmer, I have spent most of my time in my little garden preparing for the upcoming summer. Gardening is my second passion, and even though I'm not a gardening expert, I find great joy and fulfillment in caring for my plants. I feel enormously satisfied when I see my beautiful flowers blooming. Even though my muscles and back are sore, I'm happy. Today, I want to share a recently created project, a folio album. The album measures 23 by 16.5 centimeters and has a spine that is 4 centimeters wide. I decorated the album using papers and extras from the Hazel collection by Craftshop. The yellow-brown paper used to decorate some pages or pockets doesn't belong to this collection. This paper comes from my stash, and I think it enhances the overall design by adding a nice contrast to the collection's color scheme. I will struggle a bit to present the album because I don't have enough space to unfold it entirely and show it in all its glory. Anyway, the album is designed to hold photos measuring 9 by 13 centimeters and 10 by 15 centimeters, as well as larger photos measuring 13 by 18 centimeters. Depending on the arrangement, it can hold up to 70 photos. I believe the folio offers many interesting features such as flaps and pockets, which enable you to collect pictures while leaving space for notes. Therefore, if you enjoy journaling, you will likely appreciate this project. I'm not planning to create a tutorial for this album, but I will prepare one for the prototype I'm working on. This upcoming tutorial will incorporate some of the features I used in this folio. It will be available in a few weeks. In the meantime, I have an order for 2 albums that I need to complete first. I will share the final outcome with you once they are finished. For now, enjoy the presentation, let me know what you think about this project, and see you soon!